Is it a struggle to motivate parents to perform consistent healthy meal preparation or new food introductions without requiring extensive cookbooks or complicated searches? Baby-led weaning recipes provides a compelling answer, leveraging its intrinsic convenience for self-driven feeding. This application offers a straightforward method for accessing a vast array of BLW-friendly meals directly from a mobile device, fostering intrinsic motivation for continuous engagement by simplifying the entire process. Its clear presentation of ingredients and immediate access to cooking instructions create an inviting and manageable kitchen atmosphere. While an overarching narrative or more elaborate gamification elements could be present for deeper imaginative engagement, its current structure effectively encourages self-directed meal planning and reinforcement. Overall, baby-led weaning recipes serves as an exceptionally supportive bridge between parental aspirations and a user's natural inclination for active, healthy infant care. Remember, individual babies have unique needs. Give baby-led weaning recipes a look if promoting independent, comprehensive baby-led weaning seems appealing.